Charis Williams. I'm an artist, designer and fabricator and member of the ESAB elite team of welding influencers. After an ESAB power source, a good welding helmet is the most essential bit of kit for every operator. When safety standards or applications demand a respirator, the ESAB Savage A40 Air can provide all the protection you need. This unit combines an automatic welding helmet with a belt-mounted powered air purifying respirator, or PAPR. First, let's talk about the PAPR. It has 3 settings that adjust airflow between 170 and 230 litres per hour to suit the environment and application. It also operates at a quiet 70 decibels and has a high-capacity lithium-ion rechargeable battery that offers up to 8 hours of performance between charges. As an extra measure of safety, ESAB added visual and audible alarms to signal low airflow. Note that when it comes to safety, the Savage A40 Air meets all EN and ISO applicable certifications for occasional and professional use. The filter has a TH2 level certification, which means it removes 94% of particulates, even with the airflow set at the lowest rate. Now, let's move up to the lightweight helmet itself. The Savage design was inspired by ESAB's radical Sentinel A50 helmet, one of the hottest sellers on the market. In fact, they've equipped Savage with an ADF using Sentinel's ultra-clear true colour lens technology. With a 100 by 50mm viewing area, you get a wide view of the weld area, plus great definition between the weld puddle and heat-affected zone. Savage A40 Air offers all the standard controls you'll want, including sensitivity, delay and adjustability from 9 to 13 shades. For better productivity, welders can activate a shade 4 grind mode on the left side of the helmet, even while wearing a heavy welding glove. This means you can grind without needing to remove your helmet. As a PAPR system, it requires a neck closure, and this helmet features a soft fleece material with a drawstring and Velcro closures. Typical applications for the Savage A40 Air would be working in confined or poorly ventilated spaces and to reduce exposure to fumes generated when welding stainless steel, chrome alloys and when using some coiled wires. To wrap it up, the Savage A40 Air provides all of these performance benefits at an attractive price.